Yeah, hi, back again at La Palma. I don't know if there has been others, but I have recorded at least three of them now. That's the third one because the one in the middle, the second one was so nice. I thought I want to share it at the end as a dessert or something. Yeah, that's now real time. So this thing is like moving quite slowly. And it is coming from the same direction as the first one. Whatever that means. Oh man. That's yeah, that's not that, but it is one. So let's check out the second one I recorded. Yeah, no one can tell me that's some random clouds. Yeah, let's search for the other one. Yeah, I guess it's this one. Yeah, I don't know what to tell about that. I just think that the overall activity is increasing there, that we have more stuff going on. And it became visible. Here it comes from the same direction as the first one. Yeah, that's the second one. That's really neat. Now you can see somehow that inside it's, how to say, hollow. Let me pause this for a second. I want to try to explain you something. So this structure, if you would watch it from above or below, it would be this kind of thing. And wrong button. That's the core. And it might even be, I'm not sure about that, but the possibilities are really well there that it could be like that. For example, this one in the middle spins to that direction, into, in this, or however you say it in English, I don't know. This one goes to the other direction, and this one goes again in that direction. Like a Bertrand current. And if that thing is electrical in nature, which is quite likely how it is, because how else you explain me that? Ice crystals? Anyway, This might be electrical in nature, and how to put it, that it is a tube or something is obvious because you can see somehow through if you don't watch, like if you watch in the middle, not where the walls are of this structure. But let's continue watching. That's really nice. And you can also see like this kind of filamentary structure on the outer side. There now on the lower end, you can really nicely see how it's spinning around. Of course, we cannot see exactly the directions of the spin, and are there different layers or how to put it. But there is obviously dust rising up, probably not only through winds, static electricity, and all these kind of things. This mountain is alive. It has an aura. And this is how it becomes visible every now and then. And this plume is going a little bit more to that direction, and this is to the opposite direction. Like all the smoke which is coming from the volcano is mostly going a little bit more to the left, and this is just going somewhere really else. And it's this again, the C pinch of the structure where the two electrical currents meet in the middle. The C pinch. And there's still some little energy pillar standing there. Still wandering towards the top of Gumberebejo, or however you spell it. It's still there. There's still a connection between those, but the energy is too little in order to get visible. And it's still there. Soon he will reach his friends there, which are from different nature. But this is obviously somehow, like for me, personal, that's the best proof of how volcanoes are connected. They have auras and all these kind of things. Now let's play around. Yeah, this sucks. Why has this window to be really in the middle of the screen? I don't get it. I just want to somehow try to see if there's any spinning directions visible. Yeah, it is spinning, of course, but I just meant if there's any clear pattern visible into which direction it's spinning. Stupid window. Yeah, I don't know if you are into music. I am. And these are not really my favorite bands, or not at all. But I was thinking once that Roxette, I think it's Swedish, if they are like this kind of really soft rock, that's why I had a name like Roxette, you know. A little rocky, it's Roxette. Do you know what the counterpart is in metal music? Yeah, I bet many don't like that joke, but I don't care. Like if Roxette is for rock music, for metal music, it's Metallica. At least in my opinion. Now we got a vortex structure here visible. See pinch. I would guess. Yeah, I will leave it here. I catched 3 of those tornadoes there at Cumbervecchio today by accident. And probably there were more, and probably there are some other dudes making much better videos than I do. But I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks, bye.